Here's the brutal truth. 87% of people think you need money to make money. They're wrong. And we're about to prove it with 5 passive income streams you can start today with literally $0. I'm going to show you exactly how people are earning $500 to $5,000 monthly from methods that require only time, effort, and a little strategy. No capital needed, no risky investments, no get-rich-quick nonsense. But first, if you're someone who's drowning in debt, trying to rebuild your credit, or just tired of living paycheck to paycheck, you need to subscribe. Because every week, CashMind Daily breaks down real money moves that actually work. Let's go. Method. #1. Content monetization, the long game. This one requires patience, but the compounding is insane. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, these platforms will literally pay you to create content. YouTube starts paying when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. TikTok starts at 10,000 followers. But here's what most people miss. You don't start with 0 viewers. You start by solving problems people are actually searching for. Let me be specific. Let's say you're good with budgeting. Create a 60-second video on the 50-30-20 rule or how I paid off $30K in debt. Post it. If it resonates, YouTube's algorithm amplifies it. You did 0 paid promotion. You spent an hour creating content. That video could generate $5 to $50 monthly for years. Scale that to 50 videos? You're looking at passive income that keeps flowing. Timeline? 6-12 months before meaningful income. But people are legitimately doing this, earning $2,000, $10,000 monthly on YouTube alone once they hit critical mass. Week 1 action. Choose one platform. Create 3 pieces of content solving real problems in your niche. Post consistently for 30 days. Method. #2. Digital products, the leverage play. Here's why this works. You create once, you sell infinitely. Digital products include templates, checklists, guides, courses, spreadsheets, email sequences, Notion templates, Canva designs, anything downloadable. Example, you're helping people fix their credit scores. You create a credit repair checklist, 2 hours of work. You sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website for $7 to $27. Each sale is pure profit because your hosting cost is maybe $10 monthly. Sell 5 copies a day? That's $35 to $135 daily with 0 additional effort. The beauty, you're not creating a new product daily. You're creating one valuable thing, then marketing it through your email list, social media, or affiliate partners. I know someone making $800 monthly from a single $17 Excel debt payoff spreadsheet. It took her 3 hours to build. That's $800 in passive income from 3 hours of work spread across months. Timeline. First sale in 8 weeks if you market aggressively. Week 1. Action. Identify one problem you solve better than most. Create a digital product addressing it. Upload to Gumroad, free to start. Share it 5 places. Method. #3. Affiliate marketing, the recommendation model. This is simple. You recommend products. You earn commissions. No product creation needed. Amazon Associates pays 1 to 10% commission. But there are better programs. Financial platforms often pay $5.50 per referral. Credit card companies pay $25, $200 per sign-up. Here's the catch. You need traffic. But you build traffic through content. See Method #1. Example, you create a YouTube video. Best budgeting apps I actually use. You recommend YNAB, EveryDollar, and Mint. Each has an affiliate link. 1,000 views, 20 clicks, 3 signups at $50 each. You just made $150 for one video that you'll update once annually. The reason people don't do this? They think it's sleazy. But recommending products you genuinely use is the opposite. You're providing value while earning commission. Timeline. 3. 6 months to first commissions. Month 6-12, you see real scaling. Week 1 action. Join 3 affiliate programs in your niche. Create a comparison guide or recommendation post. Share it. Method. #4. Skill-based freelance automation. The delegation hack. This is the weird one people miss. You learn a valuable skill, copywriting, social media management, thumbnail design, email marketing. You get clients paying you $50, $200 per project. Then, here's the play, you outsource the work to cheaper freelancers and pocket the difference. You become the middleman. Example, a client pays you $500 to write email sequences. You hire a writer from Fiverr for $150. You make $350. You do this with 5 clients? That's $1,750 monthly passive income. You're not even the one writing anymore. You're managing and profiting from the spread. This only works if you deliver quality, so clients stay, systematize the process so it runs on autopilot, build a reputation so clients keep coming. Timeline: 2-3 months to build initial client base. Months 3-6 to systematize. Week 1 action: identify a skill you have or can learn in 2-4 weeks. Get your first 3 clients at market rate. Deliver flawlessly. Method #5: community-driven passive income, the network effect. This is the future. Platforms like Patreon, Circle, Mighty Networks, and Substack let you build communities of people paying monthly for access, exclusivity, or connection. What they're really buying? Belonging. Example: you build a debt payoff community. 200 members at $9.99 monthly? That's $2,000 monthly recurring revenue. You host monthly calls, share resources, and create accountability. After setup, it runs itself through community interaction. The hardest part isn't creating the platform, it's building trust first. You build trust through method #1, content. Then you invite your audience into a paid community. Timeline: 6-12 months to launch. Months 12-24 to hit meaningful revenue. Week 1, action. Identify your core value. Choose one community platform. Invite 5 people to a private group. Prove the concept works before charging. The truth about zero to passive ***. None of these make you rich overnight. That's not how passive income works. What they do, turn your existing knowledge and spare time into actual money. Real people are doing all 5 of these methods simultaneously, layering passive income streams until $5,000, $15,000 monthly becomes realistic. The real passive income isn't the money, it's the freedom. Freedom from paycheck anxiety. Freedom to pay off debt faster. Freedom to invest what you're earning. Freedom to be selective about the work you take. That freedom comes from action in the next 7 days. Not 7 months, 7 days. Pick one method. Commit 3 hours this week. Report back. Because the person earning $3,000 monthly in passive income didn't wake up rich. They started exactly where you are